every certainty I had starts to fade away. Years of walls I built myself crumble day by day. The way you move, the things you say, turn my world around. I'm not who I used to be since you came to town. You make me doubt everything I know, every truth I held so close. You make me doubt everything I know, but maybe that's how love goes. My reflection's different now, I can't explain. All my rules are breaking down. Nothing stays the same. The way you smile, the way you are, shakes my core beliefs. I'm not who make me doubt everything I know, every truth I held so close. You make me doubt everything I know, but maybe that's how love goes. And I'm scared, but I'm ready to let go of who I was, 'cause who I am with you feels no eye for truth.
Looking at my hands tonight, wondering what they hold. Every promise that I made seems to leave me cold. I keep trying to reach the heights that you're dreaming of, but I'm falling short again of being good enough. And I know you say it doesn't matter, but I see it in your eyes, the disappointment that you hide behind your patient smile. I'm trying to be the one you need, but everything I am falls short of everything I wanna be. And though I give you all I've got, it's never what I see in you. From this man I'm turning into. Every morning when I wake, I try to start anew, drawing lines across the sand that I can't break through. All these walls I'm building up keep me far from home, In this race against myself, I'm running all alone. And I know you'll say you understand, but deep inside we both can see the distance growing endlessly between who I am and who I should be. Maybe someday I'll find peace with the reflection that I see. Learn to love these broken parts and make up who I am. I'll try to be the one you need, but everything I am falls short of everything I wanna be. And though I give you all I've got, it's never what I see in you. From this man's end to this, and this man I'm turning into, and this man I'm turning into. Monday morning, coffee's cold. Same desk, the same old show. Staring at this keyboard now, while the minutes drag so slow. Each day feels just like the last. How much longer can this last? Do I have to say the words when we both know how this hurts? Empty smiles and meetings now, deadlines pile up somehow, playing roles we're meant to play while my spirit fades away. These walls are closing in on me. There's somewhere else I need to be. Do I have to say the words when we both know how this hurts? Clock in, clock out, living on repeat, stuck inside this office suite. 5 years waste, going nowhere fast. Every promise broken, nothing meant to last. Endless emails flooding in my brain, fake enthusiasm driving me insane. No room for growth, no room to breathe, just expectations weighing down on me. Benefits package can't fix my mind. One soul's been left so far behind, watching others climb while I stay stuck, trading life for bills. I've had enough. I've typed up this letter 100 times, but you already see it in my eyes. Can't pretend anymore. The silence between us says it all. I'm standing up, I'm walking tall. Do I have to say the words when we both know how this hurts? Every morning feels the same. Coffee cup, the daily game. Walking past your picture frame. Something's different today. Almost missed it in the rain, but my heart began to strain, looking at the world again. Everything has changed. Standing in this light with you, now I know what I must do. All these years of compromise, settling for smaller size. Every excuse I'll memorize, fading like the morning haze. Looking in your patient eyes, see the truth I can't disguise. All these walls I've built so high, starting now to fall. Standing in this light with you, now I know what I must do. The clock keeps ticking on the wall, while everything I thought I knew comes crashing, falling, breaking through. I can't pretend, can't hide at all. Every promise that I made, every game that we both played, all the times I should have stayed. When I chose to walk away, in this moment I'm afraid, finally see my part to play. Looking at the world again, everything has changed. Standing in this light with you, now I know what I must do. Standing in this light with you, now I know what I must do. Streets are empty tonight, time is slipping away. Got your message too late, said you couldn't stay. Train leaves at midnight, I'm racing your way. Every second counts now, through the pouring rain. My heart keeps beating faster as I call your name. The streets are getting darker, but I won't slow down. But they say I'm crazy, but I gotta reach you somehow. I'll run to you through the rain, nothing's gonna stop me now. Don't leave before I explain. I'll run to you, I'll run to you somehow. Red lights turn to green, still so far ago. Red and the green, so far to go. My legs are burning, but I won't go slow. People step aside as I push on through.
Every breath I'm taking brings me close to you. The night is getting colder, but I'll feel the fire. Each step is harder, but my love burns higher. I'll run to you through the rain. Nothing's gonna stop me now. Don't leave before I explain. I'll run to you. I'll run to you somehow. Don't go. Stations inside. Please wait, please wait. Just hold on tight. I've never run so fast. Make this moment last. I'll run to you through the rain. Nothing's gonna stop me now. Don't leave before I explain. I'll run to you. I'll run to you somehow.